Hi children, welcome to my English class. Today we will recall the types of sentences. Simple, compound and complex sentences are all ways of varying the length. Let us see how they work. Simple sentences. A simple sentence has only the most elemental building blocks of a sentence. A subject and a verb used in a complete thought, also called an independent clause. Here are some examples of simple sentences. Karan drank his morning coffee. Here, Karan is subject, drank is verb. Karan showered and dressed. Here, Karan is subject, showered and dressed is compound verbs. Simple sentences are usually short. You may use compound subjects and verbs to add length. But for the most part, using too many simple sentences makes your writing choppy. Compound sentences. Compound sentences marry two independent clauses together with a conjunction. Karan drank his morning coffee and then he showered and dressed. Notice the first part of the sentence and the last part can stand alone as independent sentences. The key is to not use too many compound sentences together or your writing will sound stilted. Complex sentences. A complex sentence uses an independent clause combined with one or more dependent clause. A dependent clause is similar to an independent clause, but it can't stand on its own as a complete sentence. Complex sentences use conjunctions to tie them together too. Examples: because he woke up late when his alarm malfunctioned, Karan missed his morning train. As Karan watched the train pull out of the station, he realized he would be late for work yet again. The dependent clauses can also fall at the end of an independent clause, as in these examples. We can see Karan missed his morning train because he woke up late when his alarm malfunctioned. Karan realized he would be late for work yet again as he watched the train pull out of the station. Here's a complex sentence with two compound independent clauses and one dependent clause. Karan missed his morning train and as he watched it pull out of the station, he realized he would be late for work yet again. So practice more examples to make you strong in the types of sentences. We'll meet you in my next class. Until then, bye. Thank you.